I got this lovely spray bottle from IKEA. Wanted to check it out how it will work with watercolors. Let's go ahead and check it out. Unwinding the bottle, you can see the pump has got a neat chrome finish and it has a small booklet filling up the water. Yes, it's the plant mister from IKEA. I have collected a lot of spray bottles over the year. Let's see how they work with watercolors. Look who's here! Leo wants to help me and he has come. He's waiting so patiently while I'm bringing some paint. Okay, let's lay down some paints in the palette. I'm using red and blue. Leo is nicely waiting till he smelled the paint. Okay, and decided to dip his paw in the palette. And now I'm stamping the paw on the paper. Look at him. Let's go ahead and check out this spray bottle. As you see, the paint is thick and I'm activating it by spraying water on it. The spray bottle is covering a huge area and the flow is directional and soft. Let's go ahead and check out this bottle. It's covering a specific area. Unlike the previous one was covering a huge area and this one is covering a specific area. Now let's go ahead and check out our new spray bottle from IKEA. Look at it. It is spraying a very good amount of water. It's almost creating a puddle. This kind of water on the paper can create a very good abstract effect on the paper. You can see how the spray bottle has sprayed the small amount of water along with the water droplets at the exterior of this water puddle. This can be a good effect in your painting for creating textures. Occasionally you can turn and twist to redirect the water, and with the water it carries the paint, and so you get a very nice soft flowing effect without taking much effort. Also, with the spray bottles you can blend in the colors very easily and the results could be mind-blowing. This is the last spray bottle which we are going to try it out. It's the nano spray bottle. I got this nano spray bottle from my local store and I'm happy that I have this nano spray bottle with me. It's very handy, small, flexible and good to maneuver on your paintings. You can see the mist is really fine. It comes with a fancy light at the bottom of the spray bottle and you can see there is a charging port as well. Ready to go. I'm pressing the knob. Since you see that there's already a lot of water on the paper, the changes are almost nil. However, it's very useful on the soft blending. I hope you like the comparison of different spray bottle here in this video. If you like this content, please subscribe, like, comment and share. I will see you soon in the next video. Bye.